Hi there, I'm Tradie Gal and this is Unhelpful DIY Kitten. Today I'm going to show you how to paint laundry. We've got a classic 1980s house and it's full of surfaces painted in limoncello yellow, a colour that we're not fans of. So I'm giving it a fresh coat of paint to sharpen it up. I've already plastered the room, so my first step is to sand and dust off the walls. Now they're ready for a sealer. Today I'm using Resene Waterborne Sureseal. I'm also using a 63mm paintbrush for cutting in. When I've got a new brush, I always wet it first and give it a shake off. Then it's good to go. Cut in your fiddly bits and corners first. Then you're ready to start rolling. Start on your ceiling and work your way down the walls. Wait for it to dry and then sand your walls with a pole sander. Make sure you've got your mask on and safety goggles if you don't wear glasses like I do. Now you're ready for your first top coat. I'm using Resene Kitchen and Bathroom because this paint is perfect for rooms that are wet areas. And the colour I've chosen is Resene Quarter White Pointer. I like it because it's not a clinical white or a bold white, and it'll make the laundry look fresh. Rolling time. Wait for that to dry. Now you're ready for your final coat. I'm cutting in the internal corners first and then going around the window and door frames. And when those are done, I'm ready to roll the walls. Job done. The end result is way better than those limoncello yellow walls.